all Android-powered phones. You'll get a Samsung Mesmerize free when you buy one. Activate both, switch, and get $200 in credit. Only at US Cellular.
Sports on ABC7 News brought to you by U.S. Cellular. U.S. Cellular, believe in something better.
You may have noticed we're extending our broadcast tonight to make it a little late. Yeah, they needed this one. So they're stranded in Columbus. They have to practice there tomorrow, then try to get back here. So everybody's